Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this lesson I'm going to show you how I play the chords to Fantasy by Earth, Wind, and Fire. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E, and we're going to start the song in the key of E minor, and we'll be modulating to the key of G minor. Let's start with the intro. The intro chords will be E minor 7, B minor 7, C major 7, and G, A, B, then we'll go up to E suspended 4, E, E suspended 2, back to E. We'll play that this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can use the link in the description of this video to go through a complete playthrough of the song. Now before we go into the verses, we're going to play a break riff that goes like this. And we'll play it once. After that, we'll play it this way. For that first time around, we went to our G string at fret 9, fret 7, and then we'll go to the D string, fret 9. So it's then to fret 7 on the G string, back to 9, and then we'll wind up at the G string like that. So here it is. We'll do virtually the same thing, but we'll add a double stop here at fret 7 on the G and B string, like that. So we'll play it this way. And we'll play it that way 7 times. Here's the entire thing. 2, 3, 4. Next, we'll learn the verses. And for verse 1, we'll play A minor 7, B minor 9, C, D, C, D, E7 suspended 4, and E7. We'll play it this way. 2, 3, 4. Now the strumming pattern is down, up, up, down, like that. So it's the next time around, we'll play A minor 7 and B minor 7. And then we'll go to C and D. 1, 2, ready, play. Second time around. And then this time, B7 suspended 4 to B7. So that was Here's how we'll play the first set of verses. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next, we'll play the pre-chorus, and the pre-chorus will be played by going to an E minor 7, F sharp minor 7, and a G major 7, back to an F sharp minor 7, and we'll play it this way. 2, 3, 4. Then we'll play our open A string to lead into a B7 suspended 4 to a B7. Now a strumming pattern for that is down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Like to get to that F sharp minor 7. So let's play the entire thing. 1, 2, ready, play. After that, we'll go back to the break at the beginning of the song and play. That was riff 1. We're going to repeat that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll go back into the verses. Now we'll play the second set of verses the same way we played the first set, except we'll have some subtle changes. We'll play A minor 7 to B minor 7, like this. Then C, D, C, D, E7 suspended 4 to E7, A minor 7, C and D, E minor 7, E minor 7 in place of one of the C's. So we went C, D, E minor 7, D, B7 suspended 4. Here's how we'll play it. 2, 3, 4. Next, we'll go to our pre-chorus again, and that'll be E minor 7, and now to chorus 1. And for chorus 1, we'll play E minor 7, A minor 7, D7 suspended 4, G, B minor 7, C major 7, A minor, A sharp diminished, and then B. We'll play it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, what we'll do is what I call intro 2. We'll go back to the intro of the song, but we'll play it differently. We'll play it in a different key. We'll start with B minor 7, F sharp minor 7. We'll go to G, D major 9, E major, F sharp major, B7 suspended 4, and B7. Here's how we'll play it. Each chord will get 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, we'll go back to our break riff and play it this way. And we'll play it that way twice. Then we'll go to our open A string and then play B7 suspended 4 to B7. So here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll go back to our chorus and play it twice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right after that, we'll go to our modulation to get us into chorus 2. For that modulation, we'll play a G flat suspended 4, and that's up at the 11th fret, a G flat chord, a D chord, then E flat, and that's at fret 8, back to D. So that'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That'll lead us into our modulation. This is chorus 2, and the key is G minor. We'll play a G minor 7, C minor 7, F7 suspended 4, B flat, D minor 7, E flat major 7, C minor, D flat diminished, D. And when we get to D, we'll do a breakdown like this: D, D7, B flat 6, back to E flat, and D. And then we'll start our progression over again. So here's the modulation going into chorus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll repeat that to carry out the song. 2, 3, 4.